HiSpot is LED floodlight with full wattage, which is designed for small, medium, and big-sized sports court. HiSpot's bracket can be adjusted in every 10 degrees to meet different project demand. The glass cover is fixed by 2 buckles. It's very easy to do maintenance job and replace failed driver. HiSpot has different optic lengths for different application needs. For example, asymmetric optics is suitable for outdoor tennis court. Inside of fixture is wrapped with waterproof rubber ring, and the whole fixture can meet IP66. Built-in 10 kV SPD can protect fixture from surge voltage. Respirator can help exhaust the internal moisture out of fixture body and protect electrical components from abnormal operation. LED floodlight without respirator would generate steam inside of the fixture, whilst HiSpot with respirator won't have. HiSpot has 3 different size housing for each wattage range. It can be used for different applications with better cost performance. HiSpot can be used in many applications, such as outdoor stadium, basketball court, soccer court,